All right, so there you heard Smriti Irani questioning Rahul Gandhi's eligibility for agreeing to debate with the Prime Minister of the country. But let's focus to the other election controversy, this one coming in from the state of Andhra Pradesh, where Tollywood actor Allu Arjun has landed himself in quite some trouble. This after he campaigned in the Nandyal district, which was attended by hundreds and thousands of his followers. But note important to mention here that Andhra Pradesh goes to polls on the 13th, which of course coincides with the Lok Sabha Phase 4 elections as well. And while Allu Arjun did campaign openly, which was attended by hundreds and thousands of protesters, he's now been booked for not seeking the permission that was needed to hold that massive campaign rally that he did in the Andhra Pradesh district. Let's go across to Aneri, who's joining us with the latest on that. Aneri, once again, take us to the details of this. Tell us, when did he exactly hold that campaign rally, in support of which Vice RCP MLA, and what is next in store for the Tollywood actor?
Well, Samiksha, what we have been seeing is that as yesterday was the last day for campaigning, and amid all of that, we see that Tollywood actor Allu Arjun had arrived at Nandyal to campaign for his friend Shilpa Ravichandran Kishore Reddy there, because remember, Andhra Pradesh State Assembly elections are also going to take place on the 13th along with the Lok Sabha polls, and that is the reason why we see that massive campaigning has been taking place. And amid all of that, we see the Tollywood actor Allu Arjun had arrived there in Nandyal to campaign, but then he did not take prior permission, and without permission he was campaigning there, which led to a massive crowd, which is again a violation of the Model Code of Conduct, because you need to take prior permission, because there was a huge crowd which gathered there to catch the glimpse of Allu Arjun, and that is the reason why we see that the Election Commission has now registered a case against, has given a complaint to their police officials, and now police officials have registered a case. A criminal case has been booked against Allu Arjun in this matter. So we'll have to see what further investigation will be taken up. But yes, Allu Arjun had arrived in Andhra Pradesh to campaign for his friend who is contesting for an MLA ticket, from Nandyal, Shilpa Ravichandran Kishore, and now police has now booked Allu Arjun and has booked a criminal case against him.
All right, Aneri, thank you for the moment. So remains to be seen what is next for the Tollywood actor. But let's track the other news from across the country. Here's a quick roundup of other news that we are tracking in just 2 minutes' time. Prime Minister Modi slammed Maharashtra Congress chief Nana Patole for the remarks that he made that Ram Janmabhoomi temple would be purified when the Congress comes to power. The Prime Minister even questioned the right of such leaders to be in Indian politics, citing Congress President. He said that the Congress has insulted the President of the country, this precisely after President Draupadi Murmu's visit to Ayodhya's Ram Mandir. The Prime Minister condemned the Congress for insulting the President and calling the electoral deposits to be forfeited on all seats. Prime Minister's remarks amplify the ongoing political tensions surrounding religious sentiments ahead of elections, particularly regarding the Ram Mandir issue.
द्रौपदी मुर्मू जी का रामलला के दर्शन करने के लिए जाना, उसके दूसरे दिन कांग्रेस पार्टी के एक बड़े नेता ने घोषणा की कि हम अब राम मंदिर को गंगा जल से धो करके राम मंदिर का शुद्धिकरण करेंगे.
In Karnataka, Union Home Minister launched a scathing attack on the Congress, alleging the party wants to relinquish India's rights over POK due to fear of Pakistan's atom bomb. Speaking at an election rally, Amit Shah claimed Congress leader Mani Shankar Iyer advocated not discussing POK because of Pakistan's nuclear capability. Amit Shah further assured that if Modi comes to power again, the central government will take back POK.
मणि शंकर अय्यर हमें धमकी दे रहे हैं, देश को धमकी दे रहे हैं. पाकिस्तान को सम्मान दीजिए, उनके पास एटॉमिक बॉम्ब. इंडिया अलायंस वालों को कहना चाहता हूं, पाक ऑक्यूपाई कश्मीर भारत का है, इसको कोई नहीं छीन सकता भारत से, कोई नहीं छीन